Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Stylish living room floor tile design can significantly elevate the overall aesthetics of your living space, creating a captivating focal point. One popular choice is porcelain or ceramic tiles that mimic the look of natural materials like wood or stone. These tiles offer the durability and low maintenance of ceramic while emulating the warmth and texture of wood or the timeless elegance of stone. Large format tiles have gained traction for their ability to create a seamless and expansive appearance in the living room. Minimal grout lines give a clean and modern look, making the space appear more open and spacious. For those seeking a touch of luxury, marble look tiles provide a sophisticated and timeless ambiance. They add a sense of opulence to the living room while maintaining the practicality of porcelain or ceramic. In contemporary living rooms, concrete look tiles have become a sought after choice, contributing to an industrial chic aesthetics. These styles are known for their versatility and are available in various shades and textures. Offer a sleek and modern backdrop for your decor. Pattern tiles are another stylish option to consider, whether it's geometric patterns, Moroccan inspired designs, or intricate mosaic. These styles can infuse personality and character into your living room. Ultimately, the choice of floor tiles should align with your design preferences and lifestyle needs, striking a balance between aesthetics and functionality. The right tile design can set the tone for your living room, creating a welcoming and visually pleasing environment for relaxation and entertainment. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.